20 Maulvis and elders from Patan returning from a 12-day tour from Hyderabad. The tour, led by Major Kapil Pamadiya, titled Char Chinar Se Char Minar Tak, was organized by the 30 Rashtriya Rifles and Kilo Force of the Army. At the Flag Inn at Shalteng in Sharifabad, the Maulvis are delighted at the sights and sounds they experienced on the tour.
हम जब बाहर गए नहीं थे, जो जिन जगहों का नाम हमने सुना था वो आज हमने पहली बार देखी है। मक्का मस्जिद का नाम सुना था, आज उसमें नमाज भी पढ़ी है। चार मीनार देखा ही नहीं, नाम ही सुना था, आज वहाँ भी गए हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात ये हमने देखी, वहाँ हर तरह मज़हब के लोग रहते हैं, मगर ये नहीं लगता है कि ये कौन सा मज़हब है, किस मज़हब से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं, ऐसे भाईचारे से वहाँ लोग रहते हैं।
The purpose was to expose them to the rest of India and also to let them know what kind of opportunities are available for the youth all over the country. The Maulvis, as you know, are primarily the opinion makers in the society, and we hope that through them we will be able to communicate the opportunities that are available to the youth.
The district athletic competition at Avantipura Talab-e-Hunar sees participation from hundreds of boys and girls from the Army Goodwill schools of the valley. Several have bagged prizes in the under-19 and under-23 categories of 100 meters and 200 meters relay races.
National integration tour of 15 students that has returned today. So they go and see various parts of the country, which opens their eyes about other places and other events. We have schools run by the army, where the children are getting very good secular education, and we have other such engagement programs with the youth. The idea being that they should be shown the positive direction, give a positive outlet to their youthful energies, and that they don't go away towards the wrong side.
The army is therefore winning hearts and minds through these initiatives under Operation Sadbhavna. As the curtains come down on the 13-day district athletic competition, the Talab-e-Hunar, organized by the Victor Force of the Army here in Avantipura, the proactive approach of the Army and the enthusiastic response of the people is for all to see. It is not just the under-19 and under-23 races which have been lapped up by the students, but also the medical camps and the career counseling camps. Also, the Corps Commander, Lieutenant General Satish Dua, announced that the Army would be sponsoring 40 meritorious students for studies outside the valley in Army public schools. With camera person Nazir Khan in Avantipura in the Kashmir Valley, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.